I know you see a lot of shows like Emergency 911 and all these things about freak accidents and incidents that take place, and you always hear about people who are injured and survive really close to near-death experiences. Well, it's a miracle that our guests today are alive today. Please welcome to the show Dr. Pamela Lipkin. She's a plastic surgeon specializing in facial, plastic, and reconstructive surgery. Thank you very much for being here today. And Meme, I know that you and your family have been consulting with a plastic surgeon so that later on, after your scars heal some, that there is some surgeries that can be done to help lessen the severity of your scar, and you're working on that, correct? Yeah. Okay, so if you run into any problems and you need some help, you let us know. But the reason why Dr. Lipkin is here is because, Melanie, we know that your nose break and the cheekbone problem has been bothering you and will probably continue to bother you until you get it fixed. Dr. Lipkin.
Well, the good news for you, Melanie, is that my specialty is facial plastic surgery, and I think when you look at your face in the future and it's as good as new or maybe even better, I think it'll be easier for you to forget about this tragedy that happened in January. Time is the great healer. I mean, as long as there's parts of your face that are still there to work with, we can change their shape and restore them to a normal, your old shape, or even something even better. And I think that your face will never be a problem for you. And sounds like a promise, but I think that you have very little that you have to worry about in terms of how your face will look.
Melanie, if you don't understand what the doctor is saying, is that not that you can just go see somebody and they'll fix it. The doctor is willing to fix your nose and your cheek for you.
We have a complete operating facility. It would be an honor for me to allow the privilege of offering my entire office operating room, my staff, to help forget about what happened in Walbaum's.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's only part of the beginning.